Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a way on how to create email templates using Aweber, but I'm going to show you the way that by using the Smart Designer. Remember, we're doing the drag and drop email builder, but we also going to use in this tutorial today the Smart Designer. It's just an example of, another way to create templates. So we click when you sign up to your web account. I will put the link below for you to try it, and then click the Smart Designer. Now, as you can see here, what you can do is to copy and paste here your website and then create my templates. You say, you answer the question, and then just wait for a while for them to create the templates. Remember that Aweber is very easy to, customize your own email templates, and that's also, easy for you. It's not really needed to have, a lot of tech knowledge. And let's be honest, we want money and we want it fast. From my point of view, that's why, I create those videos for you to help you, because there is no point for you to struggle, and there's no point of you to pay like a very expensive services for your email provider. As your business will grow, then you can be, you can pay more. But if you just started, then you need to make sure you generate an income, and then, you choose what is good for your business. But I'm just giving you an advice. There we are now. Here you have a couple of templates that have been created by taking images from our website. And then what we can do is to choose one. Now, like this one, we can choose, for example, this one. We click here, and as you can see, you have this page. And of course, when you save this template, you can edit the template and then put it straight away into your email draft. And that's it. It's so easy. I mean, it's just an example, guys. I mean, you can choose the automatic one and still change it by using your logo and everything. Is simple as that. But if you want to do it like that and you don't want to download, just copy paste your website, and then you save your template, and then you can start, writing those emails. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I wish you well.